Hello, dear students. Good evening, everyone. This is the second lecture for class 10 physics of refraction unit and reflection completed in the terms of definition and image formation concept, sign convention, and also numerical solved on each and every cases. Then after reflection, the first lecture in refraction completed. In that we were studied about the refraction and the cause of refraction. The main cause of refraction was what? That is the speed of light in different medium is different. But in today's lecture we will study about the important concept that is related to refraction, and the topic is refractive index. Very simple and very conceptual concept, but students always confusing how to write and how to utilize the value of refractive index. Then you have to listen carefully, and if any confusion after this explanation, then you can ask. I think when you just listen everything, then will be clear, there will be no doubt. Today's topic, that is refractive index. In reflection of light, that is refractive index. Refractive index, very simple concept of definition. Refractive index of a medium, refractive index of a medium is defined as the ratio of speed of light in air to the speed of light in particular medium. Because refractive index of any medium, whenever given, you have to find out, then it means what? The ability of the medium, how much the medium bends the light rays whenever the light rays enters through the particular medium. This is the concept of refractive index. In simple way, we want to explain that refractive index means bending ability of the medium whenever the light rays passes through the medium. But in case of definition, how to define? Very simple. It is defined as the ratio of speed of light in air to the speed of light in medium. That is, at the place of air we can use vacuum also, because the speed of light in vacuum, that is almost equal to the speed of light in air. So at the place of air we can use also what? Vacuum. That is refractive index. Refractive index of medium is equal to speed of light in air upon speed of light in medium. Very simple. Whenever this formula is clear, then you can define in one way. But always remember one thing: speed of light in different medium is different. And whenever light passes through one medium to another medium, then it may be the speed of light vary or not, but whenever the path change from its original direction, then the phenomena is defined as refraction. And here refraction concept, that is measurable whenever the refractive index of the medium vary. It means first medium, if refractive index having less value and other medium having refractive index higher value, then light rays whenever passes from one medium to another medium, then must be bent towards the normal. And when just opposite of this, it means light rays coming from higher refractive index medium to lower refractive index medium, then the light rays after refraction moves away from the normal and either moves towards the normal or away from the normal. That is the on behalf of the difference of refractive index of the given two media. Now after this we will explain about the refractive index with the help of two diagram. So this is medium having refractive index N2, and this is medium name having medium 2, and here medium 1 having refractive index N1. Light is coming and here N2 is greater than N1. N2 is greater than N1 and light rays bends towards the normal. And if the speed of light here V1 and here V2, then by definition concept of refractive index, that is refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1, that is 1n2 or n2 upon n1. This is the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1. Refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1, that is represented by 1n2 or n2 upon n1. It must be equal to v1 upon v2. This is the simple concept. Whenever diagram is clear, then everything will be clear. Refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1, that is 1n2 is equal to n2 upon n1 is equal to v1 upon v2. And then after this we are taking another diagram. This is just reverse of this. Medium 2 here, medium 2 refractive index n2, medium 1 refractive index n1, and the light rays just coming from denser medium and after refraction going through rarer medium. Then if speed here, that is in medium 2, if speed is v2 and here if speed is v1, then refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2, in this case that is 2n1 equal to n1 upon n2 is equal to what? That is equal to v2 upon v1. If we make this equation 1 and this equation 2, then by using 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 n 2 into 2n1 is equal to, when you multiplied equation 1 by equation 2, then 1n2 into 2n1 is equal to this v1 upon v2 into v2 upon v1. Each one will cancel out, then gives what? 1. It means when we just take one medium refractive index, that is refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 is equal to 1 upon refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2. It means when light rays goes from one medium to another medium, then refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 that is reverse whenever taken, then this is what? Inverse case of the previous one. So with the help of this one concept, we can solve out so many numericals. That will be very easy. After the definition of refractive index, one concept is clear. If medium 1 representing air and medium 2 representing glass, if medium 1 represents glass, it means that medium 1 represent air and medium 2 represent glass, that is small a, and medium 2 represents glass, then here medium 2 represents what? Glass. Then this one becomes ANG into GNA is equal to 1, or ANG is equal to 1 upon GNA. Very simple and very important concept. With the help of this equation, we can solve out many numericals. Suppose refractive index of glass with respect to air, that is 1.3 given. Then refractive index of air with respect to glass will be what? 1 upon 1.3. Very simple. With the help of this concept, you can solve out so many numericals. Then after these, the two concept of refractive index, that is absolute and relative refractive index. Let's see what are the two concepts of refractive index. Very simple concept. These concepts are, we say that the types of refractive index. Number 1, relative refractive index. Relative refractive index. And number 2, that is absolute refractive index. In case of relative refractive index, whenever the light ray goes from one medium to another medium, then the ratio of speed of light in medium 1 to medium 2, that is defined as relative refractive index. Listen again. When light rays goes from one medium to another medium, then just like medium 1 and medium 2, here refractive index N2 upon N1 is equal to what? V1 upon V2. This one N2 means refractive index of medium 2, N1 means refractive index of medium 1. Here N1 means medium 1 and N2 means medium 2. And V1 means speed of light in medium 1 and V2 means speed of light in medium 2. This is the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1. It means when light rays goes from one medium to another medium, then the ratio of speed of light goes from 1 to second. Then the ratio of speed of light in medium 1 to the speed of light in medium 2 is defined as the relative refractive index. And when this one, medium 1, becomes what? Air or vacuum. Air or vacuum, and N2 is any medium except air or vacuum, then n2 upon n1 is equal to v1 upon v2 is defined as absolute refractive index. It means whenever the light rays goes from vacuum to any medium, then the ratio of speed of light in, when just light rays goes from medium 1 to medium 2, then the ratio of speed of light in medium 1, it means vacuum, 2 speed of light in medium 2, it means particular medium, speed of light in particular medium is defined as the absolute refractive index. In some books that is given directly n2 without writing n1, just like in this way, n2 or n, that is the refractive index of medium 2. Suppose any medium, that is m, refractive index of medium is equal to v1 upon v2. Speed of light in medium 1 means what? Speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in that is particular medium. It means relative refractive index and absolute refractive index. These two concepts are very important. Suppose any one concept is asking in exam, then you have to write down with the help of formula and also with the help of explanation. If any questions is given on behalf of these two or previous concept, then you can solve out very easily. So that's all for today in refractive index. We will solve out the numericals based on refractive index in next lecture. Thank you so much.